Okay. Hi guys, it's Shan. So first of all, please excuse my hair. I know it's very faded and stuff and gross looking, but I've been swimming a lot because it's really hot. So it kind of strips all the colour out and it's really like messy and stuff. So I hope it doesn't look too stupid. And it's raining outside. It's actually storming. I don't know if you can hear that thunder, but I really like thunderstorms. And I've developed this really irritating throat clearing thing because my throat's sore. So it's probably annoying everyone. And sorry, I keep hearing this weird echo. I think it's like, I don't know. There's like a computer sitting behind where I'm talking to, so I think it's, I don't know, it's like echoing. I don't know if that makes sense. God, okay. Let me just talk in this direction instead. And I went to a party last night, and I was sitting on the trampoline, and there was this bee, and then I was all like, because I feel really guilty when I kill insects, because, yeah, so I didn't kill it, so I just left it, and that was really stupid, because then later I put my leg down and it freaking stung me on my knee, so it died anyway, and now I have this friggin' really itchy, sore bee sting on my knee. I don't know if you can see, like there, it's like all red and puffy and sore and stuff. So I should have just killed the friggin' bee. So, and on Friday it was the official last day of school. So we had a lunch with everyone and stuff, and it was kind of sad because it's going to be the last time that I'm going to see a lot of people, because this is my last year of school this year. And I think I have 2 videos. I think it's 2 videos to upload still. One is a makeup tutorial, which I said I would upload a while ago, but I haven't had a chance to. And then, well, I have, but I've been uploading other videos instead. And then the second one, I don't think I uploaded. It's of me and Frankie last week Saturday, just hanging out at my house and stuff, and we made a video. So I don't think I've uploaded that one yet. And also I know my makeup looks kind of crappy because I've lost my makeup bag and the only thing I have is liquid liner. So that's why my makeup is crappy and stuff. And it's really hot because it's like summer now in South Africa. And so I've just been swimming, like spending every day in the pool because that's the only way to live. Even though I'm still writing exams, so I should be studying, but my brain is already in holiday mode, so it's kind of like, yeah, you guys haven't, oh yeah, you guys saw my sister in that chubby bunny video that I uploaded. So fucking piece of hair. Okay. So yeah, I haven't really talked about my sister much in videos. Sorry. But her name is Kia, and she is my twin sister, and she has red hair, and she's really super pretty, and she's really good at art and guitar. And she's like my best friend in the entire world. And the computer that I was talking about earlier, this one, is like really crappy and it's like kind of old. But I don't have a computer. So, ow! Sorry. So I'm trying to fix it because it has like a million viruses on it. So I'm trying to fix it. But also I can't do anything right now because, sorry, this music is really distracting. I'm gonna turn it down. There's not much I can do at the moment because, sorry, I totally lost my train of thought. My brain is like, there's not much I can do to fix the computer because it doesn't have a keyboard and a mouse, so there's nothing I can really do. Well, actually it does have a keyboard and a mouse, but like they're Bluetooth wireless stuff, so, and I can't find, sorry guys, I'm so sorry. Okay, they're Bluetooth and stuff and I can't find the connection. That goes into the computer. My arm keeps slipping, like I'm balancing my arm on the drawer and my elbow keeps slipping into the drawer and it kind of hurts. I totally don't have this song on my phone. I'm just gonna skip that. Would you guys be really disappointed in me if I told you that I was excited that Breaking Dawn is coming out soon? Because I'm totally not. God, I'm not into Twilight. And yeah, so like, comment, subscribe. The subscribe button is there. Like, comment, and stuff. And actually I think it's there. Subscribe. Yeah, and keep watching, and thank you to our fans, which apparently we have some, so thank you for watching our videos, and I hope you guys have a great week.